Good day everyone, it's me Marley and I'm going to show you how I clean my fingernails and sanitizing the nail care tools. First, I'm gonna show you the basic manicure step. The manicure tools are nail pusher, nipper, nail cutter, nail brush, nail file, cuticle remover, nail tint or mertiolate, nail color, and lastly, the colorless. And now, let us start. First, cut your nails using the nail cutter. Second, use nail file to grind down and shape the edges of nails. Third, put cuticle remover to remove any dry skin on your nails. Fourth, with the cuticle nipper, position at a slight angle. Carefully trim away the dead skin. Fifth, apply drop of tint directly onto the nail and spread by brushing. Six, you can use any nail color for the design. And lastly, don't forget to apply the colorless for finishing look. We are done with the manicure. Now, let's sanitize the nail care tools. The sanitizing tools are clean towel, liquid soap, 70 to 90% alcohol, container, and a basin. Let us start sanitizing. First step, soak the tools or implements in hot soapy water solution to remove any debris and oil residue. Rinse them thoroughly. Step 2. Place the tools or implements in a 70 to 90% alcohol solution for nits. Step 3. Remove the tools or implements from the solution. Wipe them dry and place them into a dry sterilizer. We are all done with the manicure and sanitizing nail care tools. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching!